Welcome back, traders. Thanks for joining me here today. In this short video, I will show you how to combine the Bjorgum triple EMA Strat plus Bjorgum TSI indicators to build a powerful trading strategy in the market. I will also show you my 100 times backtested result in a row based on the Bjorgum triple EMA Strat plus Bjorgum TSI indicator trading strategy concept. To apply these indicators on the chart, type the keyword Bjorgum triple EMA Strat and select the Bjorgum triple EMA Strat by Bjorgum. As we can see, this trading indicator is an overlay trading indicator appearing on the price chart. Let's apply the second indicator to the trading chart. Type the keyword Bjorgum TSI and select the Bjorgum TSI by Bjorgum. Here's the trading indicator at the bottom of our trading chart. Let's right-click on the trading indicator so we can learn more about these trading indicator parameters. Let's check out the Bjorgum triple EMA Strat indicator. Under the input option here, we can see the three components that make up the Bjorgum triple EMA Strat indicator. There's the EMA fast line, the EMA medium line, and the EMA slow line. The style section here houses the EMA's line colors. Traders can modify the colors to suit their personal color of interest. The default red and blue color is okay. Let's proceed further to check the Bjorgum TSI indicator parameter settings. Under the input option here, we can see the components that make up the Bjorgum TSI indicator. There's the TSI speed control, the TSI value line, the TSI signal line, the fill color, the OB and OS line color, and others. Let's increase the opacity of the fill color here for easy detection of the crossovers of the TSI signal line. The style section here houses the TSI parameter colors. Traders can modify the colors to suit their personal color of interest. How does this trading indicator work in the market? The Bjorgum triple EMA Strat uses a triple EMA strategy to establish trend direction and reversal points. These inputs are smoothed with Heiken Ashi values to reduce whipshaws while providing timely execution. Buy and sell signals are dictated by the changes in bar color. The bar color is dictated by the candle close value in relation to the EMAs, specifically by the EMA fast line. As we can see, if a candle closes above the EMA fast line of the triple EMA, a buy signal is indicated by a bar color change from red to blue. Likewise, if a candle closes below the EMA fast line of the triple EMA, a sell signal is indicated by a bar color change from blue to red. Also, if the close falls between the fast and the slow EMA, a cautionary signal is given. Traders can then hold, take profit, or evaluate other indicators for clues. The second indicator, which is the Bjorgum TSI, utilizes the simple color changes of the TSI output signals to aid in the interpretation of the classic TSI indicator. The crosses of the TSI value line and the signal line are a signal of bullish or bearish indication. The TSI value line is colored green or yellow to help identify that the TSI value line is either dropping or rising, while over or under the signal line. This can help anticipate a cross or significant point in the trend. The TSI signal line changes color when rising or falling, which can help to identify larger prevailing trends. As we can see here, whenever the signal line crosses above the signal value line, it changes to blue, and this indicates a bullish interest, as we can see here. Likewise, whenever the signal line crosses below the signal value line, it changes to red, and this indicates a bearish interest. The conformity of red colors formation of bars on the Bjorgum triple EMA Strat and the Bjorgum TSI signal line red colors formation signals the confirmation of a sell trade setup. Likewise, the conformity of blue colors formation of bars on the Bjorgum triple EMA Strat and the Bjorgum TSI signal line blue colors formation signals the confirmation of a buy trade setup. Now that we have known how the Bjorgum triple EMA Strat plus the Bjorgum TSI indicators trading strategy works in the market, it's time we proceed to my 100 times backtested trading result with the Bjorgum triple EMA Strat plus Bjorgum TSI indicators trading strategy concept based on the 4-hour time frame on the Euro USD. Here's my trading result. I implemented the 2 risk-reward ratio. That was on 100 trades for 5 days. On each trade, I risk $1,000 for profit target of $2,000. I got 70 wins and 30 losses. My record of most consistent wins in a row is 7, and most losing streak in a row is 3. The gain on the trading account is 30%. As we can see, a 30% gain on a trading account indicates that the Bjorgum triple EMA Strat plus Bjorgum TSI indicators is an effective and powerful trading strategy that traders can utilize to consistently detect high-winning trade setups in the market. Make sure you practice this trading strategy on a demo account before applying it to trade on a live trading account. Also, ensure you implement proper risk money management when trading with this trading indicator.